In a world where we stream everything in lossy, compressed audio, there's something almost sacred about dropping a needle on a fresh piece of vinyl. But here is the problem. Pick the wrong turntable, and you're not just wasting money. You are literally damaging your records. I have spent the last few months spinning everything from classic rock to modern pressings on 5 of the best turntables 2026 has to offer. Let's get spinning. Now, for the enthusiast who wants to tinker just a little bit to get incredible performance, let's talk about the Pro-Ject Debut EVO 2. This is one of the most popular turntables on the market for a reason. It is a serious upgrade over its predecessor. They've equipped this with a thicker, heavy steel platter that gives you rock-solid speed stability, which you will immediately notice in the bass response. It also features an electronic speed switch, which is a massive quality of life improvement because you no longer have to lift the platter to move a belt when switching from 33 to 45 revolutions per minute. The tone arm is a precision 8.6-inch carbon fiber tube, which is incredibly light and rigid, allowing the cartridge to track the grooves with insane accuracy. The sound is dynamic and punchy. My only feedback is that the setup is a bit more involved. You will need to balance the tone arm yourself. But honestly, it takes 5 minutes and it makes you feel like a real DJ. To grab the Pro-Ject Debut EVO 2 and start building your dream setup, check the link down below. If you want high-end sound without needing a degree in audio engineering, the Rega Planar 1 Plus is your absolute best friend. This is essentially the plug-and-play king of the audiophile world. What sets this apart is the fact that it has a built-in, high-quality phono stage, meaning you can hook this directly up to any powered speakers or a standard amplifier without buying an extra box. The tone arm is preset at the factory, so there's no fiddling with balancing weights or anti-skate. You just take it out of the box, put on a record, and go. The sound signature is classic Rega, warm, detailed, and incredibly musical. It makes cheap records sound good, and good records sound phenomenal. The only thing to note is that you can't easily upgrade the cartridge later without changing the tone arm. But for 90% of listeners, the stock carbon cartridge is all you'll ever need. If you are ready to dive into vinyl without the headache of complex setup, I have linked the Rega Planar 1 Plus in the description below. For those of you who have been collecting for years and are ready to step into the endgame territory, the Pro-Ject XA B is a work of art. This is not just a turntable, it is a centerpiece. The standout feature here is the massive 10-pound acrylic platter. Acrylic is a fantastic material because it has incredible resonance damping properties, and it also looks stunning when you put a colored vinyl on it. It almost looks like the record is floating. This model comes with the XA B 9-inch tone arm, which is a massive upgrade in terms of tracking accuracy. The soundstage on this thing is huge. You hear separation between instruments that you never noticed before in your favorite albums. It comes fitted with a premium Sumiko cartridge from the factory, so it's ready to sing right out of the box. The only downside, this is a manual turntable. No auto return, no auto stop. So you have to be present when the record ends to lift the arm. But for this level of fidelity, it's a small price to pay. If you want to experience your vinyl collection like never before, you can find the Pro-Ject XA B linked in the description. Maybe you are a beginner, or maybe you live in a small apartment and don't have space for a massive amplifier and wired speakers. The Sony PS-LX310BT was made for you. This turntable bridges the gap between the vintage feel of vinyl and modern wireless convenience. It features built-in Bluetooth, allowing you to connect to any wireless speaker or pair of headphones instantly. I tested this with a high-end Bluetooth speaker and was genuinely surprised by the clarity. There's no lag or compression that ruins the vibe. It also has a one-step autoplay feature. Just press the start button and the tone arm automatically moves to the beginning of the record and lowers itself. At the end of the side, it automatically returns. It is almost impossible to mess this up. The sound is clean, though it doesn't have the same bass weight as the Pro-Ject models. But again, this is designed for convenience, not audiophile extremes. If you want a stylish, user-friendly turntable that fits into a modern, wireless lifestyle, I have the Sony PS-LX310BT waiting for you in the description below. If budget is no object and you want the absolute pinnacle of engineering, we have to talk about the Technics SL-1300G. Technics basically invented the direct drive turntable, and this model is the culmination of decades of refinement. This thing is built like a tank. It weighs over 20 pounds and is engineered to eliminate every single vibration before it hits your stylus. The coreless direct drive motor provides instant startup and rock-solid speed stability that belt drive turntables simply cannot match. What you get for the money is silence. The noise floor is so low that your records sound like the master tape. The tone arm uses a new bearing system that offers incredibly smooth movement across the record. My feedback is simple. If you buy this, you will never buy another turntable again. This is your endgame. It's also fully manual, which purists prefer. But if you are spending this much, you likely know what you are getting into. For those of you looking for the ultimate listening experience, the Technics SL-1300G is a statement piece. Check the link in the description for the best price. Look, whether you are just spinning your first $20 thrift store find or you are breaking out the first pressing of your favorite album, the right turntable changes everything. There is a link for every single one of these players in the description below. Just pick your budget and your style, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more audio gear reviews for 2026, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Until then, keep the needle down and the music up. Peace.